From capturing the initial image of our unique black hole to successfully diverting an asteroid, 2022 proved to be a momentous year in the realm of space exploration. As we usher into the new year, let's take a moment to contemplate the extraordinary events that unfolded. So find a comfortable spot and unwind as we delve into the remarkable happenings of the past year. It was indeed a significant period in space exploration. One of the highlights of 2022 that I particularly cherished occurred in May, when we received the inaugural image of our own supermassive black hole, Sagittarius, a celestial marvel. Now, let's clarify something on the surface. It might appear just a little small blob of orange light, but its significance goes far beyond that. Situated 27,000 light-years away from us, the black hole, due to its immense distance, seems to have a similar apparent size in the sky as donuts on the moon. Just envision the challenge of capturing an image of donut on the moon. It would require substantial camera. That's precisely what they did. By connecting 8 radio observatories globally, they effectively created a telescope equivalent to the size of the Earth. All these telescopes were then directed toward the Sagittarius star, capturing synchronized images over multiple consecutive nights. Subsequent to extensive data processing, they successfully produced the inaugural image of our black hole, unequivocally confirming its existence. The evidence had been mounting for years, with observation of stars exhibiting unprecedented speeds as they orbit the black hole. Now, we have visual confirmation. Discussing the events of 2022 would be incomplete without acknowledging the remarkable James Webb Space Telescope. This extraordinary telescope not only set numerous records, but also reshaped our understanding of various aspects of astronomy. Launched on Christmas Day in 2021, the telescope undertook a 6-month journey to its designated location at Lagrange 2. Concerns loom over the possibility of mishaps, jeopardizing the $10 billion investment and years of effort. But JWST unfolded as planned, initiating its observation of the cosmos. Let's delve into some of the standout images captured by JWST, which are truly awe-inspiring. Among the favorites is a captivating image of Carina Nebula, where the stars sculpt orange clouds of gas and dust into magnificent cliffs. Personally, I find the image of a star being born particularly intriguing. At the heart of an exquisite hourglass shape lies a dense gas clump. In the process of giving rise to a new star, aged just 100,000 years, quite a contrast to our 4.5 billion-year-old sun. The telescope also provided close-up views of planets in our solar system, showcasing Neptune and Jupiter with their charming rings. No discussion about JWST would be complete without highlighting the image of Pandora's cluster, a galactic collision displaying galaxies as massive and intricate as our Milky Way. Notably, a tiny red spot in the image is believed to be one of the most distant galaxies ever observed, presenting a snapshot of the universe just 450 million years after the Big Bang. Despite these groundbreaking achievements in the first 6 months, JWST is poised for an extended mission, expected to operate for at least next 2 decades, promising even more groundbreaking discoveries in years to come. DART, which stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, represented a mission designed to redirect an asteroid by deliberately colliding a spacecraft with it. Prior to this mission, the testing of defense technology against potentially catastrophic asteroids had not been initiated, leaving Earth susceptible to existential threats, a situation we undoubtedly wish to avoid, as evidenced by the fate of the dinosaurs. In September, the spacecraft successfully reached its intended target, the asteroid Dimorphos, a smaller moonlet orbiting the larger asteroid named Didymos. The objective was to impact the 500-kilogram spacecraft into the 5 billion-kilogram asteroid, with the aim of altering its orbital period by a minimum of 73 seconds. Remarkably, the actual outcome exceeded expectation, resulting in a reduction of the orbital period by 32 minutes. more than 25 times the anticipated success. This significant achievement marks a crucial initial stride for humanity towards a future where the threat of succumbing to a fate similar to that of the dinosaurs becoming less daunting. On the Red Planet, numerous significant events unfolded in 2022. NASA Mars rover Perseverance continued its trailblazing journey, making groundbreaking discoveries throughout the year. In April, it transmitted captivating footage capturing Mars and Phobos eclipsing the Sun. Perseverance remains steadfast in its pursuit of evidence, indicating past or potential current life on Mars, diligently collecting samples for an upcoming sample return mission, which aims to bring Martian samples back to Earth for the first time. Regrettably, at the close of 2022, NASA had to officially declare the Mars Insight lander as no longer operational. The lander's solar panels become covered in dust, leading to a loss of communication capability. In its poignant final message, Insight communicated, "My power's really low, so this may be the last image I can send. Don't worry about me though. My time here has been both productive and serene. If I can keep talking to my missions team, I will, but I'll be signing off here soon. Thanks for staying with me. Rest in peace, Insight." In the year 2022, we formally validated the identification of more than 5,000 exoplanets and significantly advanced our proficiency in detecting and classifying them. The upcoming launch of several telescopes in the coming years is expected to be dramatically augment these figures, unveiling planets with multiple suns, celestial bodies with oceans of lava, where glass reigns, an extraordinary world beyond our wildest imagination. 2022 encompassed a comprehensive exploration of diverse planetary landscape, and I can assure you that this is merely the inception of our ongoing journey into the vast realm of exoplanet discovery. In 2022, scientists identified a black hole approximately 10 times more massive than our Sun, located just 1,600 light-years away from Earth. This discovery positioned it as the closest black hole ever detected, making it a cosmic neighbor in astronomical terms. Intriguingly, this particular black hole is in orbit around a star, similar to our Sun, marking the first confirmation of such a system. Now, here's the reassuring part. There's need to harbor undue concerns about this black hole. In all likelihood, it may not even be the closest one to us. Current estimations suggest that within the Milky Way, there could be around 100 black holes of similar size, meandering through the galaxy on the lookout for stars and planets to consume. Realistically speaking, the odds of us encountering one remarkably slim, so there's no need to fret too much about it. In October of the previous year, Earth experienced the impact of the most potent gamma-ray burst ever recorded. Granted, the source of GRB was situated approximately 2.4 billion light-years away, an astonishing distance, yet its intensity was sufficient to influence Earth's atmosphere. Now, before you start worrying too much, it's important to note that GRBs are, in fact, the most energetically powerful explosions in the universe, second only to the Big Bang. These bursts occur during the formation of a black hole, but due to their rarity and typically vast distances, there is no imminent danger to us. Admittedly, if a GRB were to occur in our vicinity, say within our region of the Milky Way, it could pose a potential threat. I discussed this in a recent video, which you can check out here. Interestingly, Earth has experienced a GRB before, contributing the second largest mass extinction event on the planet. Nevertheless, observing such an event is truly remarkable. Some astronomers even describe it as once in 100 or even 1,000-year occurrence, and we were fortunate to witness it from the safety of our little blue planet. Let's conclude by discussing Artemis 1, our venture back to the moon, serving as the inaugural mission in the Artemis program. This undertaking is dedicated to returning humanity to the lunar surface, with a goal of establishing a permanent moon base. Admittedly, there were challenges and launch delays, but in November, the SLS rocket successfully launched Orion into space, conducting a test run that sets the stage for the first manned flight of Artemis next year. The primary objective of this mission was to establish a foundation and ensure the safety of systems for human spaceflight, and all aspects unfolded seamlessly. Having been absent from the moon for over 50 years, Artemis promises a return next year, marking an exciting milestone that I eagerly anticipate. If you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.